Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Audible not working on mobile. So how do you fix Audible not working on mobile? Okay, it's just pretty simple. First thing that you need to do is to launch your Audible account, which of course I have done right here. How do you create an account on Audible? Very simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and then look at the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of the screen. In the search bar, type audible.com, and once you're done, it's going to take you to the official website. Follow through with the on-screen prompt in the official website to create your account, which is self-explanatory. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Amazon or Amazon Audible. So now that we're here, let's learn how to fix Audible not working in your mobile phone. So it means you must have gone through all of these processes to create your Audible account on your mobile phone. You must have gone through Apple Play Store or Google Play Store, Apple Store or Google Play Store, rather to, of course, install Audible in your phone. So once you did that, you must go into the process of creating your account, which is self-explanatory. And after doing that, you must have, of course, be enjoying all the great books on Audible. But then, let's say at some point you just launch your application and it just stopped working and you're wondering, how can I fix this? Hey, this is not cool. Relax your nerves. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. All you need to do is just simple, right? First things first, you need to go back to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store to check if you need to update your Audible application. So if you go back there and then you search on Audible in your search bar, and then Audible pops up and then it says, then you see an update button, that means you come on, you need to really update your Audible. So go ahead and click on that update button and update. So once you update it, of course it should definitely work. Okay, but if it doesn't work, then you need to have to clear cache. And how do you do that? Now this works with different settings, different phones, all right? So go to your phone settings, all right, and then click on manage apps, and then your applications should show. So one of which you find, of course, go ahead and find Audible. Once you click on Audible, you see an option to clear cache. So click on clear cache and then clear cache, and then just free the application of bugs. So once you've cleared your cache, you can go back to open your application. If it doesn't work, then that has to be your phone. Then try to restart your phone. So to some phones it's restart, some phones it's reboot. So reboot or restart. And once you restart your phone, it should start working. Okay, if it's not working, then you have to do the most dreadful thing, which is to uninstall your Audible application and reinstall it. So uninstall it, that's just delete it, and then reinstall it. So of course, if you linked your Audible account to Google, it should not be difficult for you to log in again. All right, so once you've gone through all of these processes, then you should start enjoying your Audible again. But then if you've tried all of the things and then the issues persist, then you have to send an email or to contact the customer service for Audible directly, and then they're going to tell you what's wrong with your account. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, we're good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.